In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Namecheap domain to AWS. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the three main steps that you have to do to add a Namecheap domain to AWS. So first, create a hosted zone in AWS Route 53. So sign into your AWS Management Console. In there, you will be able to search for Route 53 and navigate to the service. Click on Hosted Zones on the left sidebar and you will find the option to create a new hosted zone. In there, enter your desired domain name in the domain name field and choose the option to create the hosted zone. Once the hosted zone is created, the second step is going to be to copy the name servers from AWS. So you will see a list of 4 name servers provided by AWS. They will have a similar fashion, and all that you have to do is copy all 4 of these name server addresses. Now, go over to Namecheap.com and sign into your Namecheap account. In there, you will be able to hover over your profile and access your domain list, where you can find the Manage option at the right side of any domain that you currently own through Namecheap. So click Manage at the right side of your desired domain, and after you scroll down, you will find the Name Servers category. In there, you might see something like Basic DNS, and what you have to do is switch from Basic or any other option such as web hosting to Custom DNS. Once you choose Custom DNS, the fields will appear where you will be able to set up custom name servers. So paste the 4 name server addresses that you copied from AWS Route 53, click the green checkmark to save, and you are good to go. Allow some time, usually up to 24 hours, for the changes to propagate across the internet, and once complete, your Namecheap domain will be pointed to the resources hosted on AWS. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a Namecheap domain to AWS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.